If you're operating with guilt, it's like you're running with a rucksack of 10 kilograms.
Which to me sounded that a lot of our belief system is based upon which side of the spectrum are we looking at.
Gagu. Gagu, no. But this bacha is rescued.
They're golden retrievers, right?
Yeah. Teddy, are you golden?
Yeah. It's golden.
Teddy's like, I don't care. I'm a beautiful baby. Jana? Huh? Jogging in the morning?
Yes, sir.
Guy,
make a video
5
about it.
kilometers?
Nah, 3. Simple. Just,
3?
It's a simple
What time were
ticket.
you up?
I was up around 6 o'clock.
Everyone was up pretty early. Yeah?
मैं 5:30 उठ गया था मैं, but by the time I got
I woke up at 6:40. My alarm went off at 6. I'm like, let's laze for a bit. My body was tired, yeah. I slept at 11 and straight woke up at 6.
We were gossiping for a long time.
Oh, you guys were? This one level up, these guys went upstairs. This guy from Delhi, from Punjab. They're like, हमने 2-3 beers मंगाई. Then we're like, अब और लेके आते हैं और हम 3 बजे तक पीते रहे. They're like, मौसम इतना अच्छा था. Yeah. The balcony is really good up there. So you wake up every day early?
हाँ जी 5 बजे अपने अपने अंदर खुल जाती
5 बजे. And when does everyone else wake up at home?
है. So my buddy mama wakes up at around same time 5 o'clock.
Good stuff.
My Darji used to wake up at 4 a.m. every single morning. I try to be like him.
Okay. But what about the days you think body needs recovery and it needs rest?
Sundays I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Sundays you relax. Okay, cool.
I wake up at 7 o'clock on Sundays and then I
Gabu? Very naughty. Gabu, come. $30K for orange juice.
Yeah.
But they shouldn't have charged if the child is
They were
doing.
very kind otherwise. You see, we
Come.
were there for 3 nights.
Huh.
And we ate so much that one of the evenings we didn't feel like eating.
Huh.
So we just sat there because, obviously we had to feed our daughter.
Yeah.
And we
And even if you speak badly in public, let's say you went for a speech and you messed up, no one would have said, hey, what a terrible job. What the hell, you're an embarrassment. Only you said that to yourself.
Yes.
So you're beating yourself up. And that is ensuring that the next time is even worse. Because you're carrying the baggage of all the times you messed up. Guilt is one of the worst vibrational frequencies. If you're operating with guilt, it's like you're running with a rucksack of 10 kilograms. You can still run, but it's bloody hard. So you're functioning just with a lot of baggage. It's time to let it go.
Ali didn't like it once, and then she's like, she used to take care and all that.
One leg.
ऐसे करते हैं?
हाँ.
got it. Nice.
You're a very strong girl, man.
Awesome.
I can't. I need something
ये लो
And पूरा पैर ग्राउंड पे होना चाहिए. हील उठनी नहीं चाहिए.
आपका हाथ इधर उधर होगा ठीक है
Should I?
नो nothing let's go
Nice.
वो हाथ को
Heel on the floor. Heel. That one.
Right leg ऐसे.
हाँ, अब उठो.
let's go
बस हो गया.
You're a strong woman. Now your turn.
Should I try it?
Yeah. I'm sure you can
also
do.
be able to do it easily
मेरे पूरे quads में
Fit guy, man. Fit guy.
हाँ, yes.
easy
Nice.
मेरे भी cramp हो रहा है.
Nice. Thing is, if your feet straight, as जितना straight होगा ना उतना easy balance. Try pistol squat.
it's hard. I don't think I can do it.
Go for it. Give me support.
hold the cup
Nice. Let's go, son. See, I've never thought about what is carbs versus protein. I just eat.
That's what me. See, that's sustainable.
I don't overeat, moderation, but I eat what I feel like. If I want 3 servings of watermelon, I'll take it. In the midst of breakfast, GST. कहाँ sign करना है? And it's averaging 2+ every month, man. What the hell? ठीक है?
Every time I have a bottleneck, I look for a who.
Like the expert.
The expert or the internal who. I don't do it myself because a business owner is not supposed to do the work. He is supposed to get the work done.
Things done.
And free up his time for
Expansion, growth, strategy. Otherwise, we are always stuck in the operations bit, in the unnecessary things which take up our mind.
yeah.
And most of the times, the owner becomes the bottleneck then. And many things get stuck at the owner.
Yeah.
See, personally, my thought process is very different. You see, like I told you earlier, also I shared it over the email also, that I don't have a set agenda to be here.
A lot of people said that actually.
So I don't have a set agenda here because not by a long shot, not because I'm perfect, not saying that in the least, but because I've reconciled to the idea that life is a fight, and every day you have to work very hard to be the best version of yourself, and you have to keep struggling to figure out how you can be that best version. And every day I do nothing about it is the day that I'm losing. So frankly, I was here because I could not think of anything better to do in these 2 days. And I'm walking away with so much of perspective to things. And if I can just sort of give you my reinforcement of an idea that I have accumulated till now, is that belief is very important. And the most important part about belief is that it is not sublime, it can be constructed. And you pointed out in a passing conversation yesterday that you should not look at your failures to determine who you are. You should give equal importance to your successes, which to me sounded that a lot of our belief system is based upon which side of the spectrum are we looking at. And like Saket was discussing just now, if you're looking at the side of spectrum where he believes that I can't do this, he's constructing a belief for him. The minute he starts focusing on all the things that he has done positive in life, all the things that he has accomplished, it will help him build his identity. Right? I'm just sort of taking it as an example. Right? Once you develop your identity, it will help you develop a belief system. And once you develop that belief system,
You
which
act
is
in
constructed,
accordance with it.
you will act in accordance with it, and you see, then sky is the limit. Right? You started off with making videos, right? You made a commitment to yourself that I'll publish one video every day, and see where has it gotten you. You have been able to pull all these people together, and you do it consistently month over month. You have impacted so many lives, all because of what? Because of your belief system. And a belief system not that you were born with, a belief system that you constructed for yourself, and you're trying to live up to it. So that's an idea that sort of.
That's beautifully summed up. So construct the right belief system and live up to it.
And live up to it.
And to live up to it, if you must challenge your very idea of a man, so be it.
So what just personally worked for me, and I've said it enough number of times in the last 2 days.
Your fatherhood.
My fatherhood. I think that has been the pivoting point for me. Because see, usse pehle accountability nahi thi. See, my parents are not dependent upon me. My wife or anybody's spouse these days are not dependent upon you. The only one person who would be dependent upon you is your own child, right? Because to them you mean the world. And what you do directly resonates with how they will look at the world. If I go back home every day saying कि यार आज इससे लड़ाई हो गई, आज ये हो गया, their perception of world would be that the world is a shitty place. If I go back every day in a jolly good mood to say यार आज तो ये किया, आज ये किया, I enjoyed this, her perception of the world is it's a very beautiful world out there. I should move out. I should wake up in the morning, I should put on good clothes, and I should just move out.
Wonderful. So construct a belief system, live up to it, and for that we have some actionable elements like resisting for 10 minutes and sticking with it and having faith in the divine. Yeah.
Very difficult to do, by the way. It goes for me also.
Okay.
So we've been doing mindset all morning, and there are a couple of things we finalized. Number one, how to overcome procrastination, what game plan. So we've been trying to develop an OS, an operating system कि ये होगा तो ये करना है, ये होगा तो ये करना है. अगर procrastinate करने का मन है तो ये करना है. So yeah, so a pretty chill morning. And how to not listen to the mood and how to raise your vibrational frequency. So it's been a pretty chill morning. And now the plan is to study stocks. Properly, what is a good stock? Stage 2s, right? That'll be fun. for trying Funk Lab. True Basics try kiya?
Yeah, I don't like it that much.
Yeah, I really liked it.
I actually don't.
What's your recovery?
50.
50 is good. Uski bhi 54 aayi.
No, mine is just with 5 hours sleep.
हाँ.
Mine is my sunburn hours. 7 घंटे इतने सोए.
7 घंटे कैसे सोया? कितने बजे सोया था?
10:50 hours.
And woke up at?
6:40.
That is good, yeah. No, when we say a daily time frame,
It's a minute chart. Daily time frame is a minute chart, and weekly time is a.
Is opening and closing.
so
daily
this
is
one
opening and
candle,
Closing rate.
this one candle, which is 17th July, down there you see, this represents the price movement of this particular day. Let's discuss a candle briefly. If this is a candle, what this means is that the price opened here and closed here. This was the high and this was the low. We've done a crazy session on stocks, bro. That was beautiful. Everyone loved it. I'll ask them how it went. And now look at the lunch, man. Palak paneer, chane, chitte. So good. Chitte, chane and palak paneer. How do you think the session was on stocks?
Very nice. I think it was very informative. I've never had this kind of perspective on stocks. I
Yeah.
always thought it was very hyper specialized.
Yeah. You know, I like to think I teach well.
Yeah, I agree.
Because the way my mind works is a map. ये करना है फिर वहाँ से ये connect होगा वहाँ से ये connect होगा.
Straight line, point to point.
Point to point. So that's how so if I have to give a speech, like next month I'm giving a speech, I will not read anything. My map in the head will run. If that is not there, I can't speak.
See, because that is very important for you to communicate well, no?
Yeah.
See, in a courtroom, we can't explain things to the judge until it's mapped out very clearly enough.
Very clearly.
I don't know who said that phrase. Now, if you can't explain it clearly enough, you don't understand it well enough.
Yeah. Let's dig in. Palak paneer, guys, it's one of my favorite dishes ever. Kya haal hai, Manisha? Chalo, let's eat. Okay, we're now going for Pilates. Paint on the walls is looking so good. Check that out. Beige coffee color. Loves it. It's quite a difference from the earlier grey we had. A second coat is being done today. But Jasmine's also coming for Pilates, so it's gonna be fun. Took a quick nap. इसको पहले पुट्टी करा देते अच्छे से. इस इलाके को छोटा सा जो है.
वो ये उसको पोट्टी अगर करेंगे वो दिखाई भी नहीं देगा, लेवल नहीं होगा उसका, इसलिए उसको ऐसे कर दिया.
ये अंकल जी को बोलो ये जो पाइप ऐसे लटकी हुई है इसको ठीक करा दे. चलो अब हम जा रहे हैं पिलाटेस. Should be fun. ले ले.
कब चलेगा? कल चलेगा शाम को या परसों? Like a bright orange ball. Finally, I made it.
Everyone's so excited to meet you. That's like, finally, Jasmine is coming. He's coming.
Hi.
We can go.
Go to Victoria.
I went there.
And we will be doing Edel and Pilates majorly for you guys today. Half of us will be there doing Pilates, half of us will be here doing Edel. So to start with, from here, you lean one side, get one arm out. Right, so you are facing, try facing the mandala wall everyone together. Your hands around. Grab the fabric together while resting your back on the other side of the fabric. Push the fabric away. You're making the room to get your leg out.
How's the Josh?
I'm surprised this can actually hold me.
You're light, of course it can hold
No,
you.
it can't. I'm 60, maybe 58, 56.
तो 100 किलो का बंदा ना गिरे.
Around
This was so much fun.
Yeah?
Meditating inside this.
You should come here, na?
Of course, I am planning to now.
Yeah. It's a women's only space. Feminism, baby.
and back to back. That means 2 1. So halfway lift. Bring your knees close to your chest and then your feet. So you're not lifting your spine, it's flat. Here, pike up. Push back in the air. In. Down. Way more control. Let's move together.
How's the experience been?
Very challenging.
Challenging. What about you?
It was fun, but it's pretty painful, but it was fun.
What about you?
I think it was very serene. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah? What about you, jacked guy?
What's up?
How's it?
I loved it.
Yeah?
I loved it. Yeah, she's such a vibe, bro.
I think we're all going for matcha.
What's this? Let's
How
get
was it?
Karan is not listening only. Good job, Harshit. Very nice. Leave your hands. Leave your hands. Slide. 10. Walking. Maximum reach out. Straight body करने की कोशिश करो. हाथ सीधे करो. Push. Lift your side. Push. There you go. Almost push. This drill really helps open up. Look at it. Watch the drill. This drill. This. Sarach. On and on. Goes to on. Bas. Chal. In. Turn. Yes. In. Turn. And kick. Come on. There.
almost there.
Almost there.
There you go.
Come on.
और थोड़ा वो से
Lightweight.
और थोड़ा एक तरफ आगे nice look up gaze goes along hold yes you got into something known as ice shine pose
And this is the best part. Everyone's chilling with everyone.
So, question for you: bun tikki or matcha?
But I would go for anything. Bun tikki मेरे खाने का मन भी नहीं है. Trying to eat clean.
Let's get matcha.
That's it. You gotta take a poll.
Poll. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
We are still in a democracy.
Yeah. All right.
I hope we are.
Okay.
See, everyone's chilling, vibing. That's the beauty of the level up. Okay, you guys want to do matcha or bun tikki?
Bun tikki, for sure. And then pizza.
What do you want to do?
Matcha.
Matcha one.
Pizza, matcha, and bun tikki.
No, you gotta choose one.
Bun tikki.
Okay, come this side. Come this side. What about you?
Bun tikki for sure.
For sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bun tikki.
Okay.
Bun tikki it is, bro.
Bun tikki it is.
Oh man.
Matcha.
Matcha. Chalo, bun tikki it is. The vote has spoken.
Lhasa kitchen.
Lhasa, that one at the Rajpur Road. Chalo, let's go. You had?
Yeah, she had.
One bite. How's it?
Okay, good.
Okay, good. Oh my god.
How's it?
Amazing.
Amazing. Jasmine, did you enjoy? Jasmine is if 3-4 bites खाई है.
Very good. Too good.
Yeah?
Dude, there is one, like, that's the whole point. There's I'll hold की बात नहीं खा लो.
Man, beautiful stuff. मजा आ गया. अब घर जाके डिनर करते हैं. Delicious dinner. Orchard momos or Lhasa. I think both are horrible.
What's good then?
घर पे cabbage momos. We had a very nice bun tikki right now.
That was amazing.
Boys enjoyed it. We were 8 of us eating, 12 were ordered. And yeah, good fun. Now we go back to a proper dinner. तो मुझे नींद आ रही है खा पी के. Good stuff, man. Once in a while, this is okay. Hi, John.
कौन सी सी टाइप से
So basically what you're supposed to do is write down something that you resolve to do and keep it personal. And once you've written it down, you can throw it into the fire and that will stay with you. Yes?
This is nice.
So something very intimate
You don't have to share it with people. It's your personal thing.
that after this weekend, this is what I resolve to do going forward. Could be something very tiny, could be something huge, up to you.
Papa invest.
ठीक है जैस्मिन कौर?
Yes.
Last time क्या लिखा था याद है?
Last time I slept, I passed out.
हाँ, she drank so much.
I passed out and I slept.
also 75 hard.
their mistakes.
Yeah.
सुबह मिला था
will
मुझे
share.
मेरा, फिर मैंने कहा अब ये तो
Just pass across the pens. You can go right there. But this is a note we would like to end Level Up at. So, pretty brilliant note. Take a moment, think about it, whatever you want. This exercise ends the Level Up. But what a beautiful moment. We're all around the fire, just talking, just chilling. And yeah, we've got our slips now, so we'll write something and burn it in the fire and stick to it. I already know what I'm going to write. It has an element of seva in it, so that's what. And chalo. Thank you all for joining. Dhruv has his car, na? हाँ है कार. हाँ उसे भेज दो.
नहीं उसको नहीं, मैं उसको ले जाऊँ. मैं खाना खाए तो मैं शादी पे सगन देने जा रहा हूँ.
Papa's come from Shimla. इसमें लिखना है कि आप इस साल इसके बाद क्या करोगे.
मैं लास्ट ईयर भी
प्रतिज्ञा लेनी है तुसी कोई.
इस साल क्या करेंगे?
हाँ. फिर ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ नहीं है किसी ਨੂੰ.
नहीं बता भी सकते हो अंकल, ये वहम नहीं रखते.
और फिर फेंक दो आग में. प्रतिज्ञा. Let's go.
तेरा कुछ चेंज हो नहीं पा रहा कुछ.
ऐसा ही चीज दिखती है मैंने जो. It's more about the journey.
Can we share or we not?
Yeah, you can if you want to.